Hi, and welcome to Neo's Makeup. I'm Neo, and today this is a take two look on Hei Hei from Moana. Now, the thing about Hei Hei, and the original look I did 2 years ago, back in January, was that I wanted to do like a joke because in the movie Moana, Hei Hei is like always upside down, and all of his vibrant colors are like underneath. So I was like, oh yeah, we're gonna do it where he's upside down in the water. So we're gonna have like the bright, fun colors up top, and the more like red, like warm tones underneath. And I want to pay homage to that, except instead of where I have like blue, and like touch of green, I'm like, let me add more green. I'm gonna add like a little gold to it. And then the lower lash, I'm not kidding when I say this is not how I originally had it planned in my head, but I still like it. Anyway, ooh, this lipstick. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling so you can get into this video. Okay, so let's get started. I took care of my eyebrows and primed my lids. And so yeah, let's get into this. First of all, I also just want to say that I just think it's like really fun that I'm using this new series because I look back at my original Hey Hey look and I'm like, okay, no, we're not doing that anymore. I don't do that anymore. Anyway, I'm going to take the shade Storm from my Sephora Collection Pro. This is the Sephora Pro Smoky Jewels palette. I'm going to take that Storm shade and put it high in the crease. Now I'll be taking Capri and applying that just below. Real quickly, just going to blend that. Real quickly, I'm going to take a little bit of Alabaster, which is the like base-ish shade in here, and just use that to like blend. Okay, so Alabaster has a little bit of shimmer to her. So instead, I'm going to real quickly find Brulee by Wet n Wild and use that to help blend out, because that is a yikes right now. Now I'm going to take the shade Malachite right here and really focus that on the outer and inner corner of the eye. Real quickly, I'm going to take my Liquid Cat Suit eyeshadow in Camelback and use that to cut the center of the eye. Real quickly, just blending out the edges. So while that is still wet, I'm going to take the shade right here called Fern with a little bit of Emerald. I'm going to start with Fern on the outer and then place Emerald right in the center. Real quickly for a little flare, I'm going to be adding a little bit of Money Honey right on top of Emeralds. Okay, now I'm going to do that to this eye, do a full face, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're back, and ooh, I'm living for this highlighter. Money Honey, I just love it so much. Okay, so now we're going back to the palette. Which, by the way, I did not really show off earlier. It's really pretty. I tried to use this one for my garnet look, but that did not work out. That's all I had to say. But to start off, I'm actually going to take the shade Garnet and run that on the lower outer third. Now I'm going to take that same color and really just like actually work it out. Okay, so now I'm going to take Tiger's Eye right here and place that right in the center of the lower lash. Actually, no, I'm going to take Citrine, which is a nice, like, gold. Okay, so Citrine's not showing up as I want it, so I'm going to go back in with that original plan of Tiger's Eye. Now to help blend out, I'm going to take the shade Ruby. Okay, actually for the waterline, lower, I'm going to take Emerald highlighter real quick. Okay, so for the inner corner, I'm going to take Aquamarine. Okay, so now I'm going to take this gold eyeliner, and this is in the shade All That Glitters by Marc Jacobs. I just realized I forgot to take care of lashes, so I'm going to go do that real quick, and then whenever we come back, we'll take care of the lips. Okay, so the pair of lashes I put on were like really weird, and I like it because if you notice, one's lower, one's higher, which fits Hei Hei perfectly. Okay, let's go to the lips. Okay, so for lipstick today, I'll be using the NYX matte, the suede matte lipstick in Peach. Don't kill my vibe. Okay, I feel like this look is just missing a little something, so I'm gonna take a little bit of the Gemini Gloss by Wet n Wild and pop that right in the center. That's what I needed. Okay, so I'm gonna let down my hair, set my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are with the finished look, and I had to say, this is I have mixed feelings about this look. Honestly, I feel like this could have been a little bit more red. The top part I love, but I'm looking at it, I'm like, does it really count as a glow up with this look? Partially, yes, because the eyes look really good compared to the original, because that one was a mess. But I'm like, this is like a take 1.5, not a full take 2. But that being said, the lipstick looks a lot better this time, just had to say it. Anyway, if you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and you want to see more, please do subscribe and click that little bell button, because every time we release a new video, you'll get a notification. Aside from that, I just had to say, oh my gosh, this is... Okay, actually no, I'm gonna have to say this is actually a lot better. But I'm probably gonna have to do a take 3 at some point. Honestly, I'm like joking, but yeah, I just want to say thank you if you've been with me since this video, because that was my second video. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.